Hello, from a professional film studio, finally, where I can be anything that I want and be anywhere that I want. But I want to talk today about something else. My mom called me earlier today and said she enrolled my little brother in an English school to improve his English. And I hated it. I hated it for the same reason I hate it when people ask me if they should go to film school to do what I'm doing now. No, school sucks. I don't know why you need to pay a teacher when there is a billion English lessons and a billion video tutorials online. If you're looking to be an actual English professor or a kick-ass filmmaker like these guys, then yes, go to English and film schools. But if you're looking to learn for the sake of learning, the last thing you need is a teacher in a classroom. That's what the internet is for. And hey, that's just my opinion. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow. And thanks guys for the editing. Good. I like it. Okay, we have the audio.